All right, hello everybody.
Hello.
Sixth grade, we're excited because we have some new material today. We are going to be looking at our rhythm reading for today, and we know that you know a couple of the things that are up on the board, like these two little things right here.
They look like smiley faces.
They do, and I'm going to bring it in just a little bit to show you the one right here by Miss Lowry is pointing to, and then this one right here. They're both called a tie. A tie, and a purpose of the tie is to take two notes and tie them together to make one sound. So in this case, we're tying this eighth note to this eighth note, and we're gonna make one sound out of that, okay? We've done that before with a quarter note, but now we're going to branch out and do it with eighth notes as well, okay? So let's do the whole ball of wax. Are you ready?
Yes.
Class, what is this called?
A meter signature.
And today's meter signature is?
4/4.
The top number tells us there are
4 beats in a measure.
And the bottom number is going to tell us that the quarter note gets the beat. The quarter note gets the beat. That's right. The quarter note gets the beat. And that's enough. Word. So sit down at the edge of your chair. You ready? All right. I think we're ready. Keep a steady beat in your hand.
Right with me.
Let's look at just the first two measures. Ready? Here you go. 1 and 2, 3 and 1. 3. Good. This is why we only do a couple of measures at a time. Now, I'm going to move this because we are going to make sure you understand how to write what we are saying. We've got 4 beats in every measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we always start with the number 1.
Because it's the first one.
And 2. So it will sound like 1 and 2, 3 is the next one. And we always say and on the second part. Oh, but wait. Do I need to put another and because I've tied to an and? Do I put another?
No, that would be the 4th beat.
Oh, right. That's the 4th beat. Okay, so then what I could do is say 4. And, I can't say that because it's tied.
Right, it's
in
tied
a tie,
there.
you don't say anything. So we say 3 and because this is like saying this right here. So we're saying and here as well as and here.
And anytime you don't say a number, you draw a line in between there.
So we can say, here's
Just
our
like that.
line.
You're holding the and through the 4th beat and then saying the and.
So let's look at just this measure. Ready, here you go. 1 and 2, 3 and. And then now we're just going to keep going. This is beat 1 because we've crossed over the bar line and we're starting with 4 beats per measure. So 1,
And we
we
don't
don't say anything
anything
here. So we're going to say 3, and we have to write a line to make sure that we say 3 all the way to the
to the
downbeat.
bar line. Yep.
Then we start over again with 1 and we're going to hold it. And we have to say and again.
And again.
And then, we have a group of 16ths.
Woohoo!
That's fun. 3, E, and 4.
4. That finishes that measure.
Then this one starts with 1, but since it's a rest, we don't say that. So we come over here and we say 2 and 3 and 4.
4.
So that
There
is
we
the way
go.
you make sure you know how to write it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we are going to perform the whole thing. Okay? All right. You're going to keep a steady beat in your hand.
Your fingers
When
should touch
you're-
your hand when I hit my clavis.
And you will say the number when you touch your palm. And you will say and and when your hand is up. Good. Ready? Here you go. 1 and 2, 3 and 1, 3, 1 and 3 and a 4, 2 and a 3 and a 4. Nicely done.
Very good.
I'm very impressed.
Oh, and the next time we see you, we're going to show you a different way to write this.
These ties are super important to know what's coming.
Yeah.
And you probably know several different songs
Oh, yes.
and rhymes that have that rhythm in it. You just may not have ever seen it. But it has a special name, and we'll tell you that the next time we see you. But for now, ta-ta. Bye.